Ano lang, ako lang kasi, forthwith nga eh. So without delay at agad-agad, I don't understand why hindi ko talaga maintindihan bakit there's room for interpretation. Maraming excuses na pwedeng gawin, maraming magaling, gaya nga na sinabi ni Kong Pao, pati yung kapitbahay nila may opinion. But the end of the day, ang dali naman kasing intindihin eh. When you say forthwith, agad-agad. And this is not really for or against anyone. The impeachment process, the Senate acting as an impeachment court, is a venue for both parties to be heard. I think it's the most democratic and fair process, kaya nga nasa saligang batas yun eh. So there's no reason para harangin o siraan o gamitin pa sa politika. Let's follow our constitution at our sentido común na pag sinabing forthwith, agad-agad.